Hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the listing optimizer bot. So basically, we are going to create optimized SEO optimized listing content like this. Okay. So um, I have the audience insight or social listening report with me, and I have the complete benefits, use cases, and features of the product. So I have compiled a list of a few things. Let me explain you one by one. So we need the brand name of the product. We need the main keyword or the product name. In this case, we are using Nebula, and we need features and benefits. Uh, get as much features, benefits, use cases for the product as possible. Okay, I have listed few features here, and I will go ahead and copy some keywords that I want to use in my listing. So I will copy 5 to 6 keywords that I'm going to use here. So I'll paste them here. Okay. Now I will copy all this data. Sorry. I'll copy all this data and go back to the bot and I'll just go with it. Okay. One more thing I want to tell you, if you're using the free version of ChatGPT, you will have only one option to go for this model. And if you have paid version, you can go with the O3 or O4 mini high. I prefer using this one. This one makes very good distinct content. So I am using O4 mini high. So let me paste all the details there. I just copied earlier and let's create the listing content. So let's see how this magic happens. What we will get is something like this. The listing content with keywords, optimized SEO within the character range of Amazon, and 5 to 7 highly optimized listing title with bullet points, description, and backend keywords. So let's see how it's going. This one, O4 mini high, is a bit slower as compared to the quicker one, this ChatGPT 4o. So if you're going for bulk listing content generation, then go with this model. And this one is a bit slower, and O3 is quite slow. But I find this one O4 mini high most optimal. And remember, these are for paid users only. This one is for free users, and also if you are going to use the bot with free ChatGPT, uh, you may be limited to one or two listing only. So keep that in mind. Okay, here we go. Here we have highly optimized listing content with the keywords embedded, and most of the keywords are bold. Here we have the product description, and here the bot has mentioned which keyword is used at which location. So the main keyword Nebula was used in title, leg below was used also in title. It's also mentioned in the search volume that where each one has been used. Okay, so let's try with another version. So I'll just click new chat. Okay, and I will go for O4. photo and okay, I'll paste the details again. Let's see how fast it is. Okay, here you go. Good fast, huh? And you can try with both, or you can try the same model again to get uh, some. Um, if you're not satisfied with the one results, you can change the model or try again on the same model uh, with the prompt again. Like if we go again with O4 mini high, it will slightly create a different uh, version this time. So let's try with O4 mini. This one is a little bit faster. So this is the listing optimizer bot that you can use for free to optimize your listing content on Amazon or eBay or Etsy, and it's quite useful. I have been using around for an year or two, and I up to also update it uh, time by time when required. Okay, so um, that's it. Thank